Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel that I would like to show you the updates for Jasmy USDT trading pair with my customer Krasad. Let's dive in. All right, guys, I want to focus on local updates, local targets, because the global one, of course, everything relevant. And first target, if only if, guys, the Jasmy will be not delisted from the Binance. Here, this is a 300%. Was from the last video what I posted about Jasmy around here. And one more example, guys. So all of that fancy trend lines, it just works in a theory because we got like one touch, like a main impulse, come back, hold the line, support. We should form like a touch again and bounce straight forward to the top. But we broke that trend line. That's why I guess all of that trend lines works only in theory. So from that low, it was at the end of August, 312%. From now, it could be like around 400%. Based on risk ratio, now more than okay, accumulate the Jasmy, but I would like to show you the last point where we can stop, because I think we can drop a little bit lower. Also about monitoring tag, guys. Here on the Binance, you can find the Binance.com monitoring token list by market capitalization. Here is the Jasmy, number one by market capitalization, over than $500 million market cap, and the updates. So monitoring tag inclusion are updated during the first week of every month, and removals are updated during the first week of each quarter. I don't remember when exactly the Jasmy coin was added into that list. And I hope they will remove it, because if they will delist the Jasmy, it's going to be pretty hard. The same story for the portal, because I'm in portal, and it's kind of weird. So, of course, I understand totally why they still kept the FTX token. This logical. Why they added the Jasmy under the monitoring tag in token list, I don't understand. So the targets, guys, take a look. The monthly gaps is what here. So we can mark and identify. This is a monthly gap. Basically, we almost still penny tested. Let me show you. Almost still penny tested the 86 level by FIB. So should we drop lower to test it again? I don't see any reason, but we can test at least the 0.5. This one, it's like 1 cent 11. And even that like 1 cent 0.13 round number to sweep this low, test the 0.5, I mean the 0.5 of monthly gap, and after that sweep this liquidity pool, because a lot of people open the longs here. I don't think so. We will see something like this. So no, I don't think so. If the Binance will delist it, and we have to keep in mind it, right? Potential scenario for that. Yes, we can drop, and even drop way lower, guys, even to new all-time low. So just in case. Based on weekly time frame, money power indicator here. Accumulation was here in March 2025. We bounce. Now we on the middle line, but without any money inflow. Daily, we need to track daily. For me personally, the best case, of course, it's a consolidation just in this range, like 1 cent 32, 1 cent 20. So by end of October, for example, and after that going higher. If not, yes, 0.5, 61, and maybe even the 78 level by FIB again. I don't think so. We're going to drop to that low. But if we talk about the percentage, first one, it's a 6% drop. After that, a 13 and 21% possible to see the drop. So now money inflow was in 23 days in a row, 23, 24, 25. In September, we bounced it from that accumulation like 15%, around 15%. 12 time frame, guys, money outflow, unfortunately. Yes, with the rate cuts, everything is so good. And take a look, 17 September. It was the rate cuts date. Here, we pump it. And once again, guys, never say never, because here people want to believe. So we're going to drop after they start cut the rates. We're going to drop 22%. So why now we can't drop 22%? Why? Of course, it's possible. Here, 22. We can add even 1-0. So just in case. Daily time frame I showed you. Let's double check with ADZ. ADZ I can show you because it's a global ticker, not from exchange. What we can see on the daily here finally is some accumulation. Some accumulation. Last time it was February 75, April 75. There was accumulate. If this cycle extended in time, and if the Jasmy will be still exist on centralized exchanges, they will remove it from monitoring tag. We can see the new highs spring 76. Weekly, here some accumulation. Time to sell was here in June 74. 12 time frame, some guys accumulated, but maybe it's just a local speculation on the futures because 15% with a 10x leverage is like 150% profit. That's why, guys, once again, just mark this zone like potential targets. If you want to trade with the futures, guys, better, of course, try to get the nices here. Here, 22%, even the 40% stop loss with second leverage, but risk ratio can be the good one because the target is going to be here 500. So 40%, 44% stop loss against the 1000% profit. If this token will still exist on centralized exchanges. Usually also, guys, what is good? When we see this drop, at least we can come back 50% of this drop. So around 3 cents 4, it's possible to see bounce. Now, full fill, of course, possible at 0.2066. It's a full fill of monthly gap. This one, yes, 68. Monthly direction, we're not at the top. So the main problem now is Binance monitoring tag. I think if everything will be okay, it's just a sideline and we go higher. Trade on monthly, recommendation close position, no signals to buy. Weekly sell, buy back, no signal to buy. On daily, buy, take profit, sell, buybacks. I think the take profit signal will appear when let's add alerts to take profit. Why not? Take profit from sell. And after that, we can see maybe some consolidation and the buy. How it playing out last time here? Sell, December 24, take profit from sell, buy, one more dip, buy, average entry like 1 cent 11, pump to 100%. So that's the point. So it was a buy, take profit, sell. Now we wait take profit from the sell like last time it's on 24. And here, market smooth, guys. Definitely this is like disbelief. A weekly time frame, disbelief. Once again, the problem only with the monitoring tag on a Binance. So if everything will be okay with that tag and they will remove it, Jasmy, from that list, I think we go straight forward to the 6 cents 17 and the main targets what I shared with you before. But guys, of course, build a realistic price target for the Jasmy. Now it's a disbelief. Monthly, also disbelief. A lot of bullish targets for Jasmy. Here, the main indicator now, it's a buy line on the daily. It's 1 cent 0.11. It's a sweep of exactly of this low, this liquidity pool, and yes, 1 cent 0.1. It's on the daily, weekly. It's also can be the test of fundamental value like 1 cent 0.2. Also a good one, bullish one. And the 12 time frame, a little bit lower, like 0.2094. But once again, guys, so around 1 cent, it will be not a mistake. Try to open long or buy it on the spot if you believe this token will be removed from the Binance monitoring tag and everything will be okay. Bullish targets here. Take profit 2 cents 72, exit line at 3 cents. By the way, 3 cents, it's exactly the 50% of this week here. So just in case, zones were more than okay to take a risk and Jasmy, I showed you. If you like to trade with my customer, I showed in this video, right in the DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.